Hello everyone, my name is Laurent Hott, Product Line Manager for Pressure Sensors at Melexis. Let me present our newly released pressure sensor product, the MLX 90818. This exciting new product has many features which are world premieres. This will demonstrate to you what Melexis really means by inspired engineering. The MLX 90818 has been developed to address the needs of automotive powertrain engineers looking for air intake pressure sensing solutions. Pressure sensors which are capable to address the toughest environments while delivering pressure and temperature data with an accuracy that has never been reached before. As you will discover in this animation, this tiny yet highly important sensor can truly make the difference when it comes to helping OEMs with their engine air intake management. What are the drivers behind this innovation? In the past years, manifold absolute pressure sensors with accuracies in the range of 1 to 2% were good enough to address the vehicle manufacturer needs. In recent years, we have seen an increased awareness of the human footprint on global warming, which has pushed OEMs to raise the bar in terms of optimizing fuel consumption and the associated CO2 emissions. These are the main contributing factors to the impact of vehicles on global warming. Melexis took up the challenge and brought a product with unprecedented accuracies on the market that on the one hand surpassed by a factor of at least 2 our closest semiconductor competitor, while on the other hand raises the bar on the application mission profile. Another important mega trend in engine management is the so-called engine downsizing. Smaller engines, sometimes used in combination with electrified powertrains, as in hybrid vehicles, enable further reduction of fuel consumption and emissions. As the engine shrinks, the temperature around the engine increases. The increased temperature asks for special coatings to be used in the plastic elements around the engine. These coatings have the tendency to outgas in the field, putting the pressure sensors in the intake manifold in contact with extremely corrosive halogens. The MLX 90818 is a unique semiconductor component that has no corrodible metals directly accessible in the application. For that reason, it is as of today the most robust solution on the market when it comes to facing environments with high concentration of halogens for extended time periods. Together with fuel consumption and CO2 emissions, pollution and especially NOx emissions are extremely important points of attention. To meet the NOx levels imposed by legislations, a main EGR loop has already been used for many years. The most recent norm levels require, however, the addition of a second EGR loop, the so-called low-pressure EGR loop, where exhaust gas is taken further downstream the exhaust pipe and is brought back to the turbocompressor. MAP sensors have to face now much higher concentrations of recirculated exhaust gas. The low-pressure EGR loop creates an extra corrosive media challenge to semiconductor pressure sensors. Melexis delivers the right semiconductor solution that withstands this kind of environment. Engine downsizing and electrification, moreover, means that OEMs are looking for smaller air intake manifold sensors, which can be flexibly placed around the engine. For that reason, Melexis focused all of its attention on offering the market a miniaturized solution. The footprint of the MLX 90818 on the board is 3 times smaller than the closest semiconductor competitor. Last but not least, another important market trend in powertrain sensors is to move from the traditional analog output to a digital one according to the SANT protocol. The MLX 90818 is unique in that aspect. The sensor can deliver factory-calibrated pressure information as well as factory-calibrated temperature information coming from an external NTC. In addition, it offers a lot of flexibility in the configurations of the fast and slow channel messages that can be done either at Melexis or at the customer with all the necessary programming tools offered by Melexis. So, let me recap. Best-in-class accuracy, harsh media robustness and smallest size in order. All these benefits support our customers to reduce the automotive footprint on global warming and emissions for traditional internal combustion engines as well as downsized engines and hybrid vehicles. Do you want to learn more? Check our website for detailed information and register on our YouTube channel. Soon we will be releasing new products and videos which I'm sure you will also be interested in. Thank you for watching and see you soon.